Hi guys, welcome to the yoga space in Hilversum. My name is Kathleen Egan and I teach children's yoga. So welcome. So today we're going to do a blue meditation. So if you would like to, find a comfortable seat or maybe lay down somewhere really comfy and we'll start our meditation for the day. So if you're lying down, just you can wriggle around and see if you can find that comfortable seat. Or if you're sitting down, maybe just shrug your shoulders or sit, wiggle on your seat. And then the invitation is to close your eyes or find a comfortable gaze towards the ground in front of you. And then notice through your body one more time and see if there's any wriggles or jiggles, and just make some small movements until you feel that you can sit a little bit more still. And then we'll take 3 big breaths together. Breathe in through your nose. And then sigh out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. And sigh out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose and sigh out through your mouth. Now imagine that a glowing blue light has touched down on your forehead. You can imagine the blue light becoming brighter and brighter with every breath you make. And as the blue light becomes lighter, it calms all of your thoughts down until they're moving really slowly. Or maybe the only thought is the blue light. Just allow the blue light to slowly calm down all of the thoughts in your mind until you can only think of the blue light and imagine it filling up your entire mind. And the next time you breathe out, the blue light will move into your throat. And with every breath you make, it gets a little bigger and starts to soothe your throat. Starts to soothe the throat and calm all of the words that are formed and shaped down there. It calms the words so much that the only words that are left are kind, loving words. And the blue light starts to move down into your chest where your heart is. And with every breath, it starts to calm your heart. It calms any hurt feelings that you may have in your body and your heart. And with every breath you take, the hurt feelings are soothed and calmed and become a little bit smaller and a little bit more relaxed. The blue light starts to become bigger and bigger with every breath you take until it fills up your whole belly and chest. It gently moves into your arms and your legs. It makes your whole body feel calmer and more relaxed and more at peace. And I'll stay quiet and allow you to experience the blue light. And when you're ready, gently move your fingers and your toes, rolling your wrists and your ankles. And then find a comfortable seated position. And notice how your breath's moving through your body right now. Just check in and see how your breath slides in and out of your body. And take your time. When you're ready, open your eyes. The light in me recognizes the light in all of you. Thank you very much for practicing this mindful moment with me today. Have a wonderful day. You can come and practice this blue meditation whenever you like. Bye now.